we're doing the, what's this guy doing? We're doing the walk around, Nemesis walk around. I've had enough of everyone asking me to do a tour and show you what's what, so here we are. We're on the first floor now, ground floor, and the workshop below us. And now we have our showroom, not filled up yet. Loads of other things. You know what? There's a lot. There's other plans here. There's more lighting to go in. There's a little mini sort of lounge here because them doors open up. But this is all Aussie in this area, so I don't really know why I'm. You know what? I don't know what happens here, and I'm not really too concerned. Oz is going to deal with this part. He should have been here, but he's busy. So we'll probably do another video, and he can say what plans he's got. He's got some signage going there. He'll have the cars all set up in a funky way. He's got a sort of turntable. It does go around, but it squeaks. So we've got to sort that out, and yeah, we'll go through that part anyway. But then this part here is more my cup of tea, because as of next week, we're going to be doing wrapping and PPF up here. So that's a new addition to Nemesis. We haven't done so far, but this is our area here. We're going to have over this part here. Actually no, I haven't decided yet, but one of these sections is going to be like all tiled, so that will be the PPF area, because obviously so much water, we can't have it rolling down the stairs. So one of the areas is going to be tiled, and the rest will be as it is, and then we'll be wrapping here, PPFing over there. We've got another building being built outside there, and then all of this stuff you see here, all this junk is going to be out there. It's not junk, it's obviously car parts that are going to be put onto cars downstairs, but we want to keep it tidy, we want to keep it clean. All of this will be outside there, and then the place will be a lot cleaner, a lot smarter for us to actually use and whatnot. So anyway, everyone asks how to get the cars upstairs. So health and safety don't have a heart attack. The gate is going on in a day or two. What's up, Richard? Thank you! We have 10 times in there. Anyway, so this is the car lift, where we get the cars up from. Railings are due to go on, we finished off, blah blah blah, but the lift is sick. I'll probably put it up in the downstairs and you can see it in action. But that's the car lift. This is our pimp house office. I don't know why we have it, if I'm perfectly honest with you, because I'm not an office kind of guy. So I've got an office, and we made it all spectacular, and we've got all the clocks up, and we've got a fish tank. By the way, anyone thinking of getting fish, don't. Honestly, you better having a kid at me, that's work. So yeah, I've got a fish guy, and I've got fishes, and I just about remember to feed them sometimes. This is my desk where I do nothing because I'm never up here. I think I've sat here twice. I've had a Red Bull once, and that's about it. I don't have a computer here right now, so like when I'm like I'm in the office, I'm busy. Is what I'm doing on Instagram. So everyone thinks you have to have an office, but no, not me. Anyway, we have an office right now. One of them's going to be for CCTV. One of them's going to be for Netflix and chill. Again, we ain't there yet. Let's go down that end, and I'll show you downstairs. And that's the part that I like. Ignore all the unfinished edges, that'll get sorted out. What's going on? That's so fake, I just seen it 5 minutes ago. Again, you've got to ignore the mess. We are getting there, work in progress. We should have done this a long time ago when there was less stuff here. But anyway, this is our ramp area. This is X4. It's going to get low. What the hell was that? It's going to go onto the jig soon. As you can see, it's all over the show. So, X4M. Had this with Karen. Oh, let me show you this. So it's all about, baby. It's a 50th edition. Look at the state of it. Look at that. One of 50, bro. One of 50. Yeah, baby. Had this thing for 6 years, like this. One day, inshallah, one day I'm gonna make it on the road. But you know what? Of course. I put it on the ramp now, so now I have to do it. The car's upstairs, taking up space. The car is here. Let's get it done. Watch this. Watch this. I want to show you how hard I am. You want to see how hard I am? Wow! Avocado! Look at it, I'm lifting a McLaren. Euro. Wow!
You request it only.
Avocado. Lift it, lift it, lift it. Oos. So anyway,
Too much kebab, Bobby. Too much kebab.
so that car stays down because it might flip. 812. Rad pack going in shortly. Stages to get busy, and then we'll get into paint. Check out the list. Come on, I know you want to stone do this. Hold on, Sunio can. Check that out. Now, Ozzy over there can vouch for how much work it was getting these in the floor. Loads of work. But now, Mashallah, look. Mashallah, look at this.
Well, you see what's right.
Look at this. Look at this. You seen that part? Let me show you the spray boots. You've already been in there. Let's show you the spray boots. Look at this. Wow. Spray boot, baby. Avocado, baby. So we've got the quads. We've got the infrared system. Hold on. Let me show you this shit. Come on, state of the art, baby. Hold on. I'll figure it out. Yeah. So, spray boot number 1. Sit. Come into the paint room. Messy as shit right now. And the gun wash machine isn't on yet, but it's only messy because spray booth number 2 is still not done. When this gets done, obviously you'll plumb all this stuff in and the gun wash machine and all of that, and it will be done all together. So let's go back this way. Paint mixer computer, check this out. This is how we get our paint colours. Spectrometer, baby, we've got one of them. Click, 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 click. Get the paint code, bang in the computer, and you know what? I'm going to show you something just to piss off all the other garages. PPG, baby! Yeah, and they're all there using like Halford's own brand. We've got another car in there. 51. Alright, cool. What else we got? Parts area. I'm not going to show you the toilet and canteen, that's just boring, but we're gonna build it and make it nicer. And here, we're rebuilding. It's going to be the wheel center. So, diamond cuts, powder coating. Now it's messy, but you see this place, we just rebuilt all of this now. So we're going to rebuild the building, double story, upstairs storeroom, downstairs wheel center, and clear out all this mess. We've got another shed there, that's nothing to look at, boring. Cool, that's that. This will be an indoor place one day. Upstairs. Ozzy's Suarez. So this is my old trainer. My God, man. Everyone's gonna be saying what a mess our place is. But anyway, Ozzy's Suarez. We'll do a whole video on this thing after. One day. Here we have Richard. He's here as part of our work experience scheme. So check out my desk. I know it's better than your desk.
It's like Erdogan's desk, man.
I'll be like, yes? How can I help you? There's some mini eggs.
Do you have any other available?
Look how messy it is. But messy means we're working well. Or I am. About the work experience, I'm not so sure. That's that. We're gonna have some more. We're gonna have some more plants and stuff here. Let's go outside. Through them stairs up there and around the corner is going to be our dojo, MMA gym, and jiu-jitsu. So that's that. Check it out. Smash. No, win. I need this fucking lorry.
You done that often?
No, I'm driver.
Driver'ını sikeyim.
He backed up. He sort of reversed up and went back, and I was inside watching, I was working in the car. Reversed up again, went back further. On the third time, I knew what was going to happen. I was like, boom, and just smashed all of it. So anyway, you smashed that. Could have been worse. Luckily, it's only one of the panes of glass. There's a double skin over the hell. So we're still waterproof and windproof. So it's all good. Anyway, let's see. Are there any nice cars here? They're just insurance. That's a sale car. No, nothing fancy. We normally have loads of fancy cars out here, but all inside. That's it. That's it for today.
This is where the success comes from, boys. Osman and Tarek says.
I'm getting the product.
Let's see.
Brand everything, baby. So, anyway, I think we're done.
Oh, I thought you were going to attack him.
Yeah.
You should have.
So thanks for tuning in.
Hey! Oh, you're
What's up, Eurocar Parts?
Eurocar Party Sikkim.
Sikkim on everything. Thanks for tuning in. Stay tuned for more.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Wow.
That's so gay.